Hello everyone again, and we will try and do this position. And if you're interested in how to do that, stay with me and I will show you good exercises for your mobility and stretching. So let's start with me. First, what we're starting to do, it's warm up our hips. So we're trying to circle our knees. So 2, 3, and trying to do it's more and bigger, that your hip open on your maximum. So 4 and 5. Okay, and trying to do in another side. So on our cell 1, 2, and trying to do it's more and more biggest, and drawing it's more better. So last one. After that we will working with our knees. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now we will trying under our knees, pushing our legs. So like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, our hand going under our feet, and we will stretching our leg more on ourselves. Okay, let's try with me. And when we will do that, take your another hand leg and right hand going in this side and catch back leg. So if you stretching every day and good, you in future can do this speed. So going down, take your breath, slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to support my channel, you can send me super thanks or text likes, write me good comments and write me which videos you want to see in the future. So thank you for your view. Bye bye.